Yo, what is going on, guys? In today's video, I will show you how you can add countdown timer to your Shopify store for free. So it's very simple and it takes just a few minutes. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Shopify dashboard, and once you're logged in, click on Add Apps. Over here, click on Shopify App Store, and once you open up Shopify App Store, just type here countdown timer. Now you will see many countdown timer apps over here. I've tested most of them, but the best one from my experience is this one because it's actually 100% free. In most of these other apps, you need to pay extra money for the full functionality, but in this app, you don't need to pay anything extra for the full functionality and customizability. So once you install this app, GA Sales Countdown Timer Bar, you will have the option to open up the app, but before that you will need to enable the app in App Embeds when you customize your Shopify theme. But once you enable this and click on Save, you can go back to this app. It will actually walk you through the whole process of enabling that, and once you're back in the app, you can click on Create New Timer, and it will ask you to name your timer and also choose the position of your timer. So now I will create a product page timer. So let's just name it product page. But you could also create a timer in your cart page or on the top or the bottom of any, for example, other product page. But I'm specifically going to create a timer in product page next to the picture of the product. So now click on Next, and it will open up this window. So I personally don't like this theme, so I'm going to click on choose position, and it will show you multiple options to choose from for the design, but you can even change the colors in this design. If you, for example, like some parts of it but dislike others, you could keep this design but just change the colors of the text and the background. I'm personally going to choose this design, and now I'm going to customize it. I will choose the blank wallpaper probably because I like it the most. I'm going to choose background color as transparent probably, and I will change the color of the text to black. Now it doesn't look very great because the background here is kind of gray, but it will look much better on the product page where the background is actually white. Now if you click on type over here in the left, now you can actually customize the text in the timer. So you could do that by clicking on type over here, and you could change the text in the timer and also change for how long the timer will be. So I could change it from a day to, let's say, 14 minutes. Now if you're satisfied with how your timer looks like, you can click on Next, and it will ask you where you want to display your timer. So I'm just gonna choose displaying on any product, but you could also select a specific product where you want your timer. For example, if you had a discount on a specific product but didn't have a discount on other products, and it was for a limited time, you could select a specific product. And you could also create conditions such as cart value, and you could also show the timer only on specific URLs. So now I'm going to click on Save as I'm satisfied with these settings. And now, as you can see, our offer was created successfully, and now our timer should be showing on the product page. So let's see. So now, as you can see, there it is. Here is how our timer looks like. So if I were to actually sell this product and actively use the store, I would probably align this timer to the left side, and I would also make it a little bit wider and maybe change the design a little bit. But here's how it looks like. And now you could also create one timer for your cart page, which could also boost up your conversion rate by quite a lot. You could do that by just clicking on Create New Timer and now clicking on Cart Page. So this would be great to increase your conversion rate by even more. And thank you for watching. But before I completely end this video, I just have a quick offer for you. So if you are a dropshipper, Shopify user, or an e-commerce business owner, you could actually be interested in this free training. There's no upsell for any course or any ebook or anything like that. And I talk there about how you can save money on ads the new AI leverage technique you can use to save hours. And I even include there some ChatGPT prompts I personally use for copywriting, 3 must-have Shopify ads without which you won't be able to compete, and the biggest theme secret no developer will tell you. So if you are interested in that, it is 100% free. You can click the link in the description and visit this page and learn more about these things. And once again, there's no upsell there. It's just free information, and it's also pretty short, so it won't take up that much time of your day. So thank you for watching. If you found this useful, I would be very happy if you left a like, and also subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below.